Machiavelli. Machiavelli's great work, The Prince, takes the form of practical advice to a new ruler. Machiavelli argues that while rulers may wish to be loved, and while it is often supposed that they ought always to behave fairly and justly, a prince cannot in reality afford the luxury of Christian morality. The problem, suggests Machiavelli, is human nature. Human beings are by nature selfish, greedy, coward, and untrustworthy. If a ruler is loved but not feared, he will soon fall victim. Everyone sees what you appear to be. Few really know what you are. While Machiavelli recommends utter ruthlessness where necessary, he is aware of the importance of appearance. Yes, rulers should be prepared to cheat, torture, and murder when necessary, but they should aim always to appear as paragons of Christian value. It is particularly important, he thinks, that rulers appear to be religious.